Hi guys, this is Alexei Wold. Today we're going to be talking about Gold Woman by Amouage. Um, this perfume came out in 1983, so it's been there for a while. Um, the nose behind this perfume is Guy Roberts. Okay, so this is supposed to be a floral aldehyde perfume, and this is what the bottle looks like. It has a gold finish, shiny gold finish. The lid is magnetic. The lid is magnetic, so it just snaps on. I think that is I think that's quite cool. Um, I think so. The lids are specifically these are the lids that you would see in any of Amouage women perfumes. This is what it looks like. I think this is classic. The bottle looks very niche, very luxe. I really like the packaging, the presentation. I'm very impressed. So let's get to the juice. I've already sprayed some, but I'll just great atomizer. All right. So the top notes are lily of the valley, rose, and incense. The middle notes is incense, jasmine, orris root, myrrh, labdaman. The base notes is civet, musk, sandalwood, amber, cedar, oak musk, ambergris, and patchouli. It's very complex. I would say this is very vintage. This is very aldehydic, very vintage, but I think it's so complex and so beautiful when it comes together. It is white floral, but not it is a white floral, but it's not a clean white floral. It is incensey, it is smoky, but at the same time, it is so classy. It's not I wouldn't say this is an old woman perfume. I think this is something very, very grand. I wouldn't wear this like on a everyday basis. I would wear this on a very special occasion. Um, it has a very strong Middle Eastern touch, like any other Amouage perfumes. It is so beautiful, so beautifully crafted. The lily of the valley in this is very subtle. I don't get any rose, but I get a lot of woody notes. I think the sandalwood and the cedar really shines. The amber in it, there's amber in it, but I don't get any sweetness. But it's just like a very clean and incensey, slightly soapy, I would say, perfume. Not a safe blind buy when you put the price in mind. Keeping the price in mind, I don't think it's a safe buy. I'll ask. Let's ask what my brother thinks of it. What do you think, Ed?
It smells very flowery,
Very flowery.
very floral.
Okay.
Uh, a little rosy,
Rosy. Do you get the
rosy,
rose?
like a bit like tea rose.
A bit
Uh,
like tea rose.
a bit like tea rose. Um, and it's a good smell. I like it.
How much would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say it's a plus 10, maybe a bit more, because I'm really curious how it like uh evolves over time. Like.
Yeah, I think it was. I think when it settles, it just has a lot of woodiness to
Mhm.
it. I think the woodiness with the incense. I think that's what you know what I think that's what I think it settles. I think when it settles, there's a lot of smokiness and woodiness. I just really really love the incense in it. There is jasmine in it, but I don't get any jasmine. My brother says he finds there is some rose in it, but I can't really pick. For me, um, it's a lot of clean wood with incense. I think the patchouli is what gives it that cleany. I think the patchouli is what gives that clean woodiness. Although this is Amouage Gold, although this is Amouage Gold Woman, I would say this is a unisex perfume. Um, I wouldn't recommend this in summer. I don't think this is a summer perfume. I think it's more like something I would wear around spring or autumn or winter. Definitely not a summer perfume. Is this now the question is this a safe buy? Um, I don't think it's a safe buy when you put the price in mind. But it, is it something that is it something that I would recommend? If you're into Amouage perfumes, you know, if you have explored Amouage perfumes, then you would know that all of them have that Middle Eastern incensey, frankincense, oud, um, resinous vibe. So if you're into that, I would recommend it. So yeah, I would rate this perfume a 9 on 10. Definitely, 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 definitely a good spring, autumn perfume, but not something that you can wear every day. I think it's more of an evening perfume. Now talking about the longevity and the sillage. The longevity on this is eternal. Um, easily 10 hours I can get from this juice. So if you think about the price, I think it's totally worth it. The sillage is excellent. I think it really has a nice projection. Um, I can smell it on myself, and people around me can smell it too. So totally recommend it.